All right, it's May 29th, 2024, 11:06 a.m. Eastern. I've got a buy order down here at the 5,286.75 level. It looks like, for the last, I don't know, what is this? 25 minutes or so, we hit this area, close to the 5,300, and looks like we're trending back down. But I like this support area around the 5,286.75 level, and so I've got a limit order there. I think we'll have a bounce up off of that, and we'll see what happens. But anyways, I'm trading my third Eval account. I have two funded accounts, and unfortunately, my Quantower is missing data, so it only starts showing the bars from when I closed the application or program and when I opened it. So this is from 7-ish p.m. yesterday, and then this is 9:15. So I'm missing everything in between on all my charts. I'm trying to troubleshoot and figure out what's going on. My Rhythmic connection has market data off, or I mean RTrader Pro, market data off. I log in and then I launch Quantower, connect to Rhythmic. And the first day I was using Quantower, everything was fine, all the data was loading, but now I seem to be missing stuff. And what's crazy is that in the DOM, all of this is from when I've had this open since 9:15 my time. So I can't see anything else, and it only has been updated with what I currently see since 9:15. So I believe that, yeah, this is my, before I started recording this, I was looking at this level as a point of interest, but I wanted to see it come down a little more. So let's see what happens here. A lot of aggressive selling here. This actually might be a little too aggressive. I think we could push down even further. Let's see. We had a lot of selling right here too. So if we break this, I think we might push down further. Let me flatten this. We'll watch it. So, I called it. A lot of selling. I guess that would have been a quick, only 5 ticks. Not a bad move. Nice positive delta here. I feel like we're gonna push down further here. I'm gonna get into a short position. A lot of negative selling. We've got downward trend on the delta, or aggressive selling rather. You know what, it's a bad trade. I might have to try to take profits around 285.75. Got a lot of selling down here, so that's why I'm hoping if we do break through that level though. Yeah, this 287-ish level acting as pretty good support. Noted for later. So at least we haven't had confirmation yet, but we'll see how this bar closes out. These look so funny, so fat. Touching the 8 on the 1 here. I'd switch to the 2-minute, but it's missing all the bars when I switch to it, so I'm just going to keep this on the 1-minute for today. Yeah, this 285.50 level. That's what I'm afraid of. Got a lot of volume. Really like this strong downward momentum, so I'm not too worried here, but who knows how the market's gonna act. Oh, this switched over to a power trades positive delta. Yeah, so we're gonna see a lot of resistance in this level here. I think I'm gonna close out this trade early and see what happens. So it is what it is, but I don't feel comfortable being down at this 2850 level, especially seeing the buying. And, oh wait, this changed blue. Did I read this wrong? I don't know. I'm gonna have to read up on their power trades. So this is an indicator that Quantower puts in. I have it set to 2,000 total contracts within a 5-second interval. Typically, if you see the change, was that always blue? I thought it was yellow, but blue will indicate that possibly a change on the upside. Yellow downside. I thought it was yellow. Maybe my chart. Oh, it was yellow on this one. Maybe I have my colors off. I don't know. Anyways, I'm glad I got out of that position. This is acting as good support. I'm going to get into a long position. Right under these wicks right here. A ghost. So I like the risk here. It's about 2 points, so 8 ticks. And if we do have a run back up here to the 5291 levels, you know, it's not too bad. 3-point gains. Got a lot more volume here on the ask, so aggressive buyers. Bouncing off VWAP. Yeah, I like this bounce here. I'm getting twitchy. So I'm looking at Delta on the 1 min. Got a nice little uptrend starting. Getting above the 21 EMA right here on the 1 minute. After this candle, I want to test the break even to see if this should push my stop up. Let's try it now. Very nice. I missed this by 1 tick. I don't want to lose money on this trade, so we'll just have this at moved up my stop. See what happens. I think we'll hit it. Everything's looking Gucci. Gucci. Oh my god, I'm a fortune teller. So that was a nice, I think $300 trade. Yeah, 300. Very nice. So this 30 valuation account is up to $52,667. If I trade some more today, I will be sure to record those trades. But for now, I'm going to take a rest because it's getting close to lunchtime. So catch you later. Peace. All right, so we're trading in this tight range here. I think when we hit around this 5292 level, I'm going to go short. I like the risk here. It's very minimal. We've got 2 tick risk for potential 13 plus if I move my take profit down lower, depending on the momentum here. Here, we'll make this bigger. Yay! Could see some resistance right here at 28975. I just wanted to get in for a quick scalp, see what happens here. I think this will put this account just over the 3,000 profit goal if I hit my take profit level. Or it might be just under. We're actually seeing some buying come through here, at least on the 5. Oh, that's taking into account those. Let's look at the 1. Selling's cooling off. Missed it by 1 tick. And I figured out why this turned blue in my other video. It's the highlight color, so when you click it, it turns blue. Very nice. So that was a profitable trade. About 320 in profits. And I am currently sitting about $15.42 below my $3,000 profit goal on this third account. Stay tuned. So I think we're going to rebound since we're in this tight range. And I'm looking for an entry here, but waiting to see if we break through this resistance level, this zone. Stated in my previous recording on my quick trade, I am about $14.42 off the $3,000 profit goal. This is a level that was acting as pretty strong resistance earlier, so we'll see what happens. I don't want to jump into a trade prematurely here. If we break through this level, we'll probably test these wicks at the bottom, possibly this one at a 28375 level. If we bounce back up, we're in that chop and tight 4 or 5 point range. Selling's cooling off. I'm going to enter a long position and set my profit very low just because I don't need too much to, hit that $3,000 profit goal. Aggressive sellers on this area. Okie dokie. Oops. I was just thinking I should move my stop loss down to here. Oops. Well, now I'm $98.38 for my profit goal. Still like what I'm seeing, the resistance at this level. I'm going to try again long. Got a slight upward trend. I think that'll put me right above the 3,000 profit goal. So I like this trade. We're at a point of control, resistance level, and so that's why I'm entering. Seeing more selling here. Watch the speed of the time we break to the downside. I actually like the downside movement. I mean, we could see it come back down to 283, 280. Actually, I might just be right below. Okay, we'll do that. 175. Oh no, my numbers weren't updating fast enough. All right, there we go. This is what you call boring. Seeing some buying. Buying. Upward trendy. Very little movement. I might get stopped out here. Hey, cool, hey, cool, hey, cool. All right, well, I'm down $275 on those last two trades. Watch us see the rebound happen here. We're under the 8 EMA, so actually I think we're going to see some downward push. I may have just gotten in a little too early. A lot of selling. Feels like we're going to push down here. I don't like this. Under VWAP, under the 5, low volume, it's about lunchtime. I'm going to set this one out. Anyways, I'll hop back on afterwards. All right, so I jumped back into trade because we had that upward momentum I was looking for. My last trade was just a little too early. Got a lot of buying. I don't know why it has these shown as 1 and 1 when it's 2 on here. I don't want to lose out on this trade, so I'll move up my stop. Still seeing a lot of buying pressure. Nice upward trend on the delta. All right. Well, I just passed the 53,000 mark profit goal on this Eval account. I'm sitting at $53,085.70. So I just passed this Eval account. I should get a activation or whatever email they send you later today after they settle everything. And I will be trading live maybe later today on the first two accounts that I have. Let me see. Yeah, I have two. I have copy trading set up. Not sure though, because I'm still a little skeptical since I can't see the entire charts, but I'll let you know if I begin live trading. This is exciting. Lunchtime. Peace.